Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to block ads on Ludo King. To block or reduce the number of ads you receive in Ludo King, here are a few options you can consider. The first method is to use the in-app no ads option. Launch open Ludo King application on your device and log into your account first. Once you're logged in and you are in the home page, you will be able to see a no ads level at the top right corner. Simply tap on it and you will then be able to make a purchase. This will require in-app purchases. Simply select the amount under no ads for a lifetime option and follow through the payment process. Once you've completed the payment, the ads will no longer appear during gameplay. Another way to remove ads in Ludo King is to turn off your internet connection. Go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once you are done, start playing Ludo King with no ads. This will prevent ads from loading while you play offline. Those were some of the methods you can take in order to block ads or to reduce the number of ads in Ludo King. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.